we're using as a spring compressor. So we just fabricated this. Like this, just take a half a piece of like fence post, perfect diameter for the roll cage here. So it just slips right on. Put a 2-foot bar and then another 2-foot bar. So we got an angle point. And then we took a piece of conduit and just dremelled out one side, just a little hole enough to be able to get a magnet in there. And this thing is working awesome. So basically, we'll come in here and we've got 2 holes. We've got a back hole for the intake valves, and then we got a hole up here in front for the exhaust valves. And basically get it down here and center it in there. And then you need to have a magnet. So we're using something like this. And then let me get some light on this a little better. All right, and then as you compress down, okay, let it release it off.
We didn't have enough pressure here.
Yeah, I think we need to.
Oh, you need to tap it?
We need to tap these valves first. Sometimes these keepers will stick. As you saw right there, we had enough force to actually pop the valve down in. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a socket and a little extension, and you just want to tap this a couple times. So go ahead and tap this with the hammer. And all you're doing, you actually hear them pop. You might as well do all 4 of them while you're at it. You're going to kind of jar those keepers loose. If you don't do it, sometimes they'll stick on you. So,
Oh, those are stuck.
So you can see they were stuck. All right, so we'll go back.
And here they were stuck.
Get our tool back on here. Okay, I want to center it. I'm going to get the magnet. Put it down in here, and there's 1, 2. Okay, we got both keepers. And then just let off easily, and there we go.